The portfolio predicament. Navigating a crowded field. Did you know many creative directors spend mere minutes on each portfolio? Some reports suggest it is less than 3 minutes. This is a stark reality for hopeful graphic designers. The field is vibrant and full of talent. Competition is therefore incredibly fierce. Every designer wants their work to be seen, but attention spans are short. Standing out is a significant challenge. A strong portfolio is absolutely essential for career success. It is your primary marketing tool. Think of it as your visual ambassador. It speaks for you before you even enter an interview room. This collection of work opens doors. It can lead to exciting projects. Without a compelling portfolio, even the most talented designer might struggle to gain traction. One common challenge is oversaturation. There are so many designers, so many portfolios look alike. Breaking through this noise requires careful thought. Another hurdle is a dull or uninspired presentation. Amazing design work can easily get lost. The presentation itself is a design test. More than just images, the strategic role of your portfolio. Your portfolio is far more than a simple gallery of images. It serves as a dynamic visual resume. It actively demonstrates your tangible skills. It showcases your design thinking. It reveals your problem-solving abilities. Each piece should offer insight into your process. It is a testament to what you can deliver. It shows how you tackle creative challenges. A well-crafted portfolio also communicates your unique design voice. It helps to establish your personal brand. What makes your approach different? What distinct perspective do you bring? It allows you to connect with viewers on a deeper level. Your unique style and viewpoint are valuable assets. They help you stand apart from the crowd. This distinction can be very powerful. Moreover, a portfolio can effectively bridge the gap. It connects your current skills with your future aspirations. It can show employers the kind of work you to do. It is not just about past accomplishments. It is a tool for strategic career positioning. Designing your showcase, essential elements for impact. Good project selection is the foundation of a standout portfolio. Always prioritize quality over sheer quantity. Choose pieces that truly showcase your best skills. Select work that aligns with your career goals. Each project included should have a clear purpose. It should tell a story of your capabilities. Think carefully about what each piece communicates. Does it represent you well? Stylish presentation is equally important. This goes beyond just current design trends. It is about clarity and ease of navigation. Your portfolio should be user-friendly. It must also reflect your personal aesthetic. Remember, the portfolio itself is a design project. It should be thoughtfully designed and executed. Its visual appeal and functionality speak volumes about your attention to detail. Storytelling transforms a good portfolio into a great one. Do not just display the final image. Provide context for each project. Explain the client's brief or the problem you aim to solve. Describe your creative process. The narrative advantage, a game-changing portfolio strategy. A truly game-changing strategy is focused storytelling. Build your portfolio around a hero project or concentrate on a specific niche you are passionate about. Instead of a general scattered collection, create a compelling narrative. This approach makes your portfolio memorable. It makes it highly targeted. Viewers will understand your specialty. They will remember your unique story. This focus can be very effective. Imagine a designer named Alex. Alex was passionate about typography and branding. Instead of showing random projects, Alex curated their portfolio. It highlighted 3 branding projects, each deeply explored typographic solutions. Alex detailed the research and the rationale. This clear focus on a specialized skill helped Alex land a role. The job was with a design studio renowned for its branding work. This success came from targeted storytelling. This narrative strategy directly addresses common challenges. It helps you cut through the oversaturation. A strong story and a clear niche make your portfolio distinctive.